HSSE Gap Analysis Process. Dr. Sama Tawfiq. Lecture Objective. Comprehensive understanding of the gap analysis process, including defining scope and objectives, identifying performance indicators, collecting and analyzing data, and identifying root causes. Contents. Introduction to the gap analysis process. Defining scope and objectives. Identifying performance indicators and benchmarks. Collecting and analyzing data. Identifying gaps and root causes. Conclusion. Introduction to gap analysis process. Gap analysis identifies HSSE improvement areas by comparing current performance to benchmarks. It involves defining scope, collecting data, analyzing results, and finding root causes to develop targeted solutions. HSSE scope and objectives. Clearly defining the scope of a gap analysis is crucial for focusing efforts and resources. Setting SMART objectives ensures that improvement goals are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Providing clear direction for the analysis. Sources and related content. Identifying performance indicators and benchmarks. KPIs are measurable values that demonstrate an organization's performance in specific areas, while benchmarks provide a standard for comparison. By carefully choosing KPIs aligned with HSSE goals and establishing appropriate benchmarks, organizations can accurately assess performance gaps and prioritize improvement efforts. Collecting and analyzing data. Collecting accurate and complete data is essential for effective gap analysis. Data can be gathered through various methods like records, surveys, and observations. Analyzing this data using statistical and trend analysis techniques helps identify patterns, trends, and performance gaps. Identifying gaps and root causes. By comparing actual performance to established benchmarks, organizations can pinpoint areas where performance falls short. Root cause analysis techniques, such as fishbone diagrams and the 5 Whys method, help uncover the underlying reasons for these gaps, enabling targeted solutions. Source and related content. For each subsequent answer, ask why again. Conclusion. By effectively conducting a gap analysis, organizations can identify critical areas for improvement in their HSSE management systems. By following the steps outlined, including defining scope, setting objectives, collecting and analyzing data, and identifying gaps and root causes, organizations can develop targeted action plans to enhance overall HSSE performance and create a safer working environment. With my best wishes, Dr. Sama Tawfiq.